All right, yeah. So today's topic is the new Zoom AI companion. And again, as Summer mentioned, this directly affects us is because, of course, we're on Zoom. So Zoom AI is the companion, is a digital assistant, and it helps Zoom users improve productivity and work together more efficiently in real time. Now, how to access it? Well, it's important to note that it's only available for people with a paid Zoom account. So Zoom AI Companion is available for people who use paid services on Zoom, Zoom Meetings, Phone, Revenue Accelerator, Team Chat, or Contact Center. Users with paid Zoom get to use Zoom AI Companion for all their paid services, along with Zoom Team Chat. Free users, as I mentioned earlier, can't use this. So some of the current features of it are that it's able to review cloud recordings faster through highlights, smart chapters, summaries, next steps, and more. So you're able to also compose and reply to emails faster because it gives you suggested content based on the email thread and gives you suggestions for what you can say. So some other features you can use it for are the meetings, emails, team chats, whiteboards, language, just in general helping with communication. So some of its features, AI companion questions, allows you to quickly catch up and clarify any missing information from the meeting without interrupting it. Smart recording, so you can view cloud recordings faster through highlights, summaries, smart chapters, next steps, and more. And also meeting summaries, where it creates a summary and next steps for the meeting and shares it to your email and team chats in case you don't want to watch the whole thing again. Zoom AI can also answer questions from the meeting itself because it has access to the recording. So here's an example here. These four people are in a Zoom meeting, and one person with the paid Zoom AI account is using it to ask questions based on things that have already been said in case you missed it. And you can see at the bottom there, it has that catch me up button to fill in a bullet point format so it's easy to understand any missing information. And now in terms of mail features, it has that email composing ability. So you can compose and reply to emails faster with suggested content based on the information provided in that email thread and use what you want to say in response to it. So here's an example of that. If you go onto your Zoom account and you click inbox and you have an email, you can see Compose with AI Companion will pop up if you have a paid account, and you can just ask it just like you would ask something like ChatGPT to write a follow-up email, and it'll give you a suggestion that you can send if it looks good. And of course, you can also edit. Now let's look into the team chat features. So Chat Compose is where you're able to draft chat messages based on the conversational context of what you want to say, as well as change the tone and length of the chat. The thread summary quickly summarizes the context of these long team chat threads. So if you have questions about a particular part, or if you just want to quickly revise things, this would help with that. Now, team chat is limited to 30 questions per day per user. And here's an example of team chat where you're able to go where it goes, sorry, where wrong way. Oh gosh, skipped all the way. Oh, it's skipping backwards. No. There we go. Right. So this is like a chat from one of the meetings, and you can use AI to summarize this. Of course, there's a lot of text there, and if you just want a quick discussion or a quick paragraph, you can ask it for that, and it'll give it to you. And of course, you can edit the length of their summary as well. Now, some of its whiteboard features, it allows users to generate ideas, refine, edit, and extend existing content, add visuals to the whiteboard, and add objects to a canvas with just one simple click. So here's an example of that. If you go to whiteboards, you can click new, create a new whiteboard, and you can use AI to add different images. Now, some of its language features, this is particularly useful as well. So Zoom AI Companion recently added this, and it's a multi-language support feature. So it auto translates chats to another language. And currently available is Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and simplified Chinese. And of course, English. Now, Zoom AI data usage. AI, Zoom will not use any of your audio, video, or chat or screen sharing attachments, any sort of communication, customer content, pull resource, whiteboard reactions, nothing, to train Zooms or third parties' intelligence models. And this is, of course, a major concern with privacy. So it's taking care of that, and it won't use any of that to send out to any third party or even to train its own AI. So now the Zoom AI companion limitation. So it's only the host that can start or stop this AI companion through the in-meeting controls. And questions can only be answered if the content was discussed while AI companion is active and in the current meeting. So if the host, for example, forgot to hit AI companion, um, let's say 10 minutes into the meeting and you have a question from the first 10 minutes, it won't be able to obviously access that or answer a question.